Finding the courage to change. Can't get it wrong. I remember watching my children learn to walk. The process of developing the strength they needed took time. They went from crawling to hanging on to balancing alone. Finally, they took that magical first step. At no time during this time period did I scold the babies for their mistakes. They weren't making mistakes, they were learning by trial and error. They couldn't get it wrong. Even the mistakes were obviously helping them to get a little closer to the goal of walking. I never said, "What's wrong with you? Why did you fall down again?" I encouraged them to keep going. You can do it. Wow, look at you. I enjoyed watching them learn. I knew that they would be walking and running in a very short time. But in my childhood, I decided that I had to be perfect. I had to already know. In my little head, mistakes and experiments were bad, even dangerous. When I demand perfection of myself, it's like scolding a baby for falling down. It's silly and counterproductive. When I remember the process that we all go through learning to walk, then I can be kinder to myself. I'm always learning something new. I'll never get it done, and I can't get it wrong. Even my mistakes are springboards to greater learning and greater success. What a relief to know that it's all good, I'll never get it done, and I can't get it wrong. I can relax and enjoy my wonderful life.